nothing, and now he's just adorable. He's just all.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the bump, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live a life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes, cause all I want is cash and things. I 5 double low, bands wanting flashy brains.
Tesla fart mode. Do it again. What the fuck? Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
Do it again. What the hell is showing on the...
He's about to open the trunk.
What is it showing on the dash? Sentry mode activated. I guess it's letting you know that it's on and it's armed and it's looking at you. Does it follow you? That's spooky as hell. Different fart sounds. You're having too much fun with this. Where the hell? You got speakers in the back that makes fart noises? It's coming from like right here too. Can't deal with this no more. Let's take it back.
No.
Now you're gonna be messing with people at work every time they pass by your car, because now you can see it with the camera. Hit the fart button.
Oh, but that's if I have the cameras on. Let me see, because it was on another spot too. Oh no. See, it's not there. It's only when you go to controls, it's not there. The Sentry mode.
Art mode. Neighbors are not going to be happy. This is too much. This is too much.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convinced. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around, I feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing so